Hey guys, Nick Drossos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Got a question. Nick, what are the 3 best close quarter strikes? There's a few, but I'm going to pick 3 that I want to focus on today, and 3 that I like. One is the headbutt. A lot of fights happen in close quarter range. So what you use is you top of the head into the facial area. Okay? So I'm hitting, people tell me, oh Nick, am I going to bust my head? No, this is the strongest bone in your body, and you're hitting into the face, into the nose, you can hit the jaw, so you're headbutting this close. Second one is a palm strike, where I'm hitting here or here. Open hand with this part underneath the jaw. If I want to be nasty, I can go with a double palm strike. Okay, so that's my second favorite. Third one, and can't miss out, is the elbow. I love the elbow because every time you strike with the elbow, you strike with your whole body. You could strike it upwards, here. From here, I can go bring it this way. I can bring it that way. If he grabs me, grab me. If he's here, I can elbow this way. If I'm in here, I can elbow that way. I can train the fuck out of your elbows. I train them like crazy from every corner that they can fly underneath, up, down. Same thing with the palm strike. Palm here, palm around. Palm this way, right? And then you have your headbutts where you're hitting into the head. Even if I'm clinching, I can headbutt this way. I can headbutt in any way, coming up, coming to the side, going into the nose. So I'm trapping, I'm hitting the top of the head in the facial area. Now, I've done a lot of videos with my favorite top strikes. These are 3 good strikes that you want to train. It's not about learning a lot of strikes, it's about learning a few and just training them over and over again, where they're programmed to a point where the weapon it releases itself. It knows that if I'm here, I'm too far for an elbow, it's the palm strike that's going to come out. That if I'm here, I know it's the elbow that's going to come out. You train the shit out of it over and over and over, that it just becomes like the weapon just kind of leaves itself, and you train and program it with your body, that your body follows through behind every strike as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a complete self-defense package. We'll put the link on the bottom. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.